Behind every great ancient victory wasn't just brave warriors. It was revolutionary technology and brilliant innovation. From unstoppable formations and deadly new weapons to engineering marvels that could level cities, technology decided empires. Today we're exploring 15 game-changing technologies and innovations that shaped ancient wars, starting with the most transformative at number 1 all the way to number 15. These inventions didn't just win battles, they built and destroyed civilizations. Let's begin. To 15 technologies and innovations. Number 1. The Macedonian sarissa and phalanx, Philip II and Alexander, 4th century BC. A revolutionary 18 to 20-foot pike used in a dense, disciplined formation. The overlapping spear wall created an impenetrable forest of points. Impact allowed Alexander to conquer the vast Persian Empire by keeping enemies at a distance, while cavalry delivered the killing blow. Number 2. Iron weapons and armor, Hittites and Assyrians, 1200 BC onward. The shift from bronze to cheaper, stronger iron revolutionized warfare. Armies could equip far more soldiers with swords, spears, and armor. Impact gave the Assyrians and later empires a massive military advantage, enabling larger, more professional armies. Number 3. The composite bow, steppe nomads and Persians, around 1500 BC, a powerful laminated bow made of wood, horn, and sinew, far stronger and more accurate than simple wooden bows. Impact. Horse archers using these dominated vast territories. The Parthians and Mongols later perfected this into the deadly Parthian shot. Number 4. Greek fire, Byzantine Empire, 7th century AD, a secret incendiary weapon that burned on water and stuck to ships and soldiers, delivered through ship-mounted siphons. Impact saved Constantinople from multiple Arab sieges and gave Byzantium naval supremacy for centuries. The formula remains lost. Number 5. Roman pilum and gladius combination. The pilum, heavy throwing spear designed to bend on impact, disabled enemy shields, followed by the short stabbing gladius in tight formation. Impact made Roman legions the most effective close combat fighting force of the ancient world, enabling conquest across Europe and the Mediterranean. Number 6. War elephants. India, Persia, Carthage. Armored elephants used as living tanks, carrying archers or simply trampling infantry. Impact. Hannibal's famous Alpine crossing terrified Romans. They created psychological shock that often broke enemy lines before direct combat. Number 7. Siege engines, ballista, catapult and onager, Greeks and Romans, torsion-powered machines that hurled massive stones, bolts or incendiaries over long distances. Impact allowed armies to breach previously impregnable city walls, changing siege warfare forever. Number 8. The trireme warship, Ancient Greece, 5th century BC, a fast, maneuverable galley with 3 banks of oars and a bronze ram. Impact gave the Greeks victory at Salamis against a much larger Persian fleet, preserving Western civilization. Number 9. Repeating crossbow, Zhuge-Nu, Ancient China, 4th century BC, a semi-automatic crossbow that could fire multiple bolts rapidly with minimal training. Impact allowed Chinese armies to deliver devastating volleys against massed infantry and nomadic invaders. Number 10. Scythed chariots, Persian Empire. Chariots fitted with spinning blades on the wheels that sliced through enemy lines. Impact created terror and chaos in battles, forcing enemies to break formation or suffer horrific casualties. Number 11. The Claw of Archimedes, Syracuse, 214 BC, a giant crane-like machine that lifted enemy warships out of the sea and dropped them. Impact delayed the Roman siege of Syracuse for years and showcased how pure engineering genius could defend a city. Number 12. Roman road network and logistics. System-extensive all-weather roads and supply depots built specifically for rapid troop movement. Impact. Allowed Rome to move armies quickly across vast territories, maintain supply lines, and project power far from home. Number 13. Assyrian iron siege technology and battering. Rams' advanced mobile towers, covered rams, and sapping techniques combined with terror tactics. Impact made the Assyrian Empire the first true military superpower, capable of conquering heavily fortified cities across the Middle East. Number 14. The Dacian falxe, long, curved sickle sword that could hook over shields and slice through helmets and armor. Impact so devastating that Romans had to add extra reinforcements to their helmets and shoulders during the Dacian Wars. Number 15. Early stirrup and cavalry innovations, steppe cultures, 300 BC onward. Improved saddle and stirrup designs gave riders better stability for archery and lance charges. Impact transformed cavalry from support troops into decisive battlefield forces, later perfected by Mongol armies. From the Sarissa phalanx that built Alexander's empire to Greek fire that saved Byzantium, technology and innovation have always been the real kings of ancient warfare. These breakthroughs didn't just kill more efficiently, they redrew maps, created empires, and shaped the world we still live in today. Which ancient innovation impressed you the most? The Sarissa, Greek fire, or Roman logistics? Tell me in the comments. If you want part 2 covering more innovations or how ancient tech influences modern warfare, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. In war, the sharpest mind and cleverest invention often beat the strongest arm. See you in the next one.